Hello there, welcome back to the Chef T for Tochuku. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the quick and easy recipe you are about to watch. So guys, today I am going to be showing you how I make low calorie Gizzdodo. So first of all, you put your gizzard in a pot, no water, no nothing, just your gizzard in a pot. So, the measurement of the Gizzdodo is always in the description box. When I say measurement, I mean like description, like the amount, like how many grams, the calories, everything is always in the description box. So please always check the description box. And now I'm going to add my mixed seasoning. This seasoning consists of chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, um, cayenne pepper, Maggi, so many I can't list them all, but I have so many seasonings in that mixed seasoning. And then I have 2 cubes of Maggi. I added 2 cubes of Maggi at this point, and then I added salt, not too much because of the Maggi and the mixed seasoning. And then, as usual, garlic, ginger, and pepper. You can't make stock water if you don't add garlic, ginger, and pepper. I'm sorry, that's not stock water. Sorry to offend you. And then I added a little bit of water, as you can see, very little. And then you just mix it all up, let everything get in there, and then you cover it to steam. And as you can see, after 30 minutes, this is what it should look like. No much water, but that's how we like it. So I forgot to film about the plantain when I was seasoning it and putting it in the oven, but yeah. So just put seasoning on your plantain and put in the oven, and this is what it should look like after 30 minutes. No oil, just very little oil. Like, if you watch my previous videos, you'd see a spray. I use spray olive oil. So yeah, just that, like 3 pumps, and you should be fine. Then little oil as well because it's low calorie. You add your chopped onions. Now I don't. This is a non-stick pan. That's the reason why it, as you can see, I didn't use much oil because I'm trying to keep it low. Because oil, like guys, a tablespoon of what's it called, olive oil is like 100 and something calories, if not 200. I'm not really sure of the amount. So just be careful of oil while you're tracking your calories. And then that's ginger, garlic, and pepper as usual. This mixture, it always takes your food to the next level. Yeah, so add it to your food, and then you just mix it there, and then we're going to season it after a bit. Actually, no, we'll add tomatoes first. So these are your normal fresh tomatoes. You know how to do it now. You just dry your tomato in a pot, and that's it. Then you just fry it now. Keep stirring everything, mix them all together, and then you add your tomato paste. Very little. Stir, mix, 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 mix. And it should look like this. I went to grab my seasoning, that's why I left the pot. I left my station. So yeah, add your mixed seasoning again because we are black. I'll be like seasoning. Actually, that's a racist joke, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, you just add mixed seasoning for more seasoning and flavor into your food, and then you give it a very good mix. And yeah, that's it. And now we're going to add our gizzard stock water. You know that tiny stock water that was left after 30 minutes of cooking our gizzard? Yeah, that's what we're adding now after 30 minutes. So yeah, the gizzard boils for 30 minutes, and you would get a little bit of stock water because we need to add plenty water to it. We didn't need it because it has water on its own. Like when you're steaming it, it just gives you a lot of, what's it called, water. That's why I don't add much water when I'm cooking meat or gizzard or anything. So I just added my gizzard, and now I am mixing everything. I went to grab something probably. I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh, I was adjusting the camera. That's why you're not seeing me moving. But you should be stirring it at this point. At this point, you can also add chopped bell pepper just for more flavor, more color, more things in your pot. But yeah, I didn't add to this one, but the other one I made, I added. You'll see it at the end. So now I'm just adding my oven roasted plantain. No much oil, as you can see. And guys, it was amazing. I don't know why they pack unnecessary oil into gizzard, but it's not necessary. That's why you should be watching my videos, because I give you the healthier option, like the easier ways that's the word, but like I make things more like more healthy. Yeah, you can have all these things in moderation. I don't eat this every day. I don't eat it every week. But it's even high in protein. But then the plantain is high in carbs, so I just keep the carbs low. But gizzard has a lot of protein, so you should eat gizzard. And then more stock water, so it's not dry. It's not just tomatoes, gizzard and plantain. And this was on a different day. This is the one I did with bell pepper. So I don't know why the volume is not working. But yeah, I was just saying how wahala for who don't like Gizzard, and that's just a fact. It's mad. And I was playing music at this point. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try out this recipe. This one is less in calories. Check the description box for the amount of calories, or in the title, I'll write the amount when I finish calculating it. And thank you for always watching. Until
If
next
you
time.
enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to you. Tell everybody. Don't forget to comment down below if you will try out the recipe, or if you tried it out and you'd like to let me know. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram page called the Chef T. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy, quick recipes. And please turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, if I upload a video, you get it instantly. You just get the notification and you come here and watch the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!